lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Scorpio, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is your bonus reading for February the 8th to February the 14th. So para po sa mga bago, hindi po ito late. Again, bonus reading lang po ito. Meron na pong naunang February the 8th to February the 14th. Alright, so you might want to check on it. Nasa playlist naman. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po'y nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel na catered for our international audience. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi po kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. No? Meron din po tayong ibang reading doon for February the 8th to February the 14th. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Scorpio, simulan na natin. Marami tayong either gustong pagbabagong, makamit, or marami tayong gustong baguhin sa sitwasyon. Either iniisip natin ito or ginagawa na, no, sa ating pang-araw-araw na pamumuhay. It may be a plan, it may be something that you're probably initiating as of the moment. May mga challenges, yes, kasi there are times na siguro, no, bumabalik pa rin sa dati. Let's say, gusto na, from a simple thing of gusto nating laging maaga ng gumising. We plan of waking up early as 5 a.m. I think that's not me, no? So 5 a.m. So probably meron ka na ditong time management. So 5 to 5:30, 5 to 6, jogging, no? So parang you want to make things in order. Yes, there may be times na makakagising tayo ng ganon, no? This is just an example, no? But then again, since we are a night person before, probably minsan, ano ba yan? Alas 3 na gising pa ako. Eh, ang pinaramis ko sa sarili ko, 5 a.m. So, ano yan? 2 oras ng tulog ko. So, makakatulog tayo. And then we wake up again by 1 p.m., no? 1 in the afternoon. So, ano ba yan? Naiinis ako sa sarili ko. But I want you to know that changes doesn't happen overnight, no? Hindi porket naisip mo yan, lalo na kung naging culture or naging tradition or naging parang habit, no? Naging habitual ito for so many months and years. Mahirap talagang baguhin, hindi porket sinabi mo, bukas, no? I'm a new change, I'm a new and then change. I'm a changed person. I'm a new person. Hindi naman pwedeng ganun agad-agad yon, no? Katulad yan ng parang pagtatanim, di ba? Hindi porket nilagay mo yung buto sa lupa, no? Tinabunan mo ng lupa, nilagay mo ng fertilizer, diniligan mo, binilad mo sa araw, bukas may puno, bukas may bunga. No, it takes time, no? Kaya huwag tayong maging let's not be hard or harsh to ourselves. Kasi parang meron tayong minamadali, no? Siguro if this is buhay pag-ibig, minamadali natin yung isang bagay na doon din naman siya papunta. We're just rushing to it. We're just, sabihin natin medyo yung term, no, taing-tae, no, in a way, or baka kasi sobrang haba na rin ng pag-aantay. Pero kasi there's proper time. No, there's a divine timing for every person. Hindi porket nag-work to kay, let's say, sa iyong mga idols, no? Or kung sino man yung inyong reference. Hindi porket nag-work sa kanila for a week, mag-work sa inyo. Iba kasi yung mga pinagdaanan nila. Iba din yung sa inyo. Kahit sabihin nyo may similarities, behind closed doors, hindi natin alam kung ano mga napag-uusapan nila. No? So, each person has different time frame, no? Dadating din yun sa'yo. Ang nakikita ko lang is siguro nagsisimula pa lang ito or itong emotion, no, na nararamdaman mo was just starting. Probably your person's also just starting to feel this way. Hindi ko sinasabing parehas kayong new person na nagkakilala. So, this might be an old connection. Pero ngayon lang dumating yung ganitong feeling, no, yung eagerness, yung real wanting of a commitment. So, maayos naman eh. Maayos naman yung takbo. I think meron lang ditong nagmamadali. So merong naiiwan, no? Kumbaga sa race, ito lang talaga yung limit ng speed nung sabihin natin partner natin. Di ba minsan may mga race na pang-isahan, pang-dalawahan, or yung pang-maramihan. Yung pinapasa yung parang maliit na stick. Sorry, I'm not that sporty. Pero nakikita ko yon. So, ipapasa mo yung stick, kasi habol naman yung isa. Eh, mabilis yung takbo mo, siya hindi. Yun lang talaga yung capacity niya. So, I feel like, wala naman yan sa bilis, but I think it's in the journey, no? Aanhin mo yung mabilis, hindi mo naman na-enjoy yung papunta doon, no? Para ka lang kahapon, magkaibigan tayo, and then we wake up, ano yan? May anak na tayo. So, nakaka-culture shock din naman yung mga ganon, no? With the Princess of Cups and the Three of Swords, kaaga-aga, no? Parang ito yung mga relationship na parang nana, no? Konting kibot, aray. Konting kibot, aray. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi okay, no, umaray. Lalo na pag nasasaktan, that's correct. Pero parang ito, parang naging exaggerated yung pag-aray, no? Yung meron lang, humawak lang ng phone. Sinong kausap mo? Sinong ganyan-ganyan? Sino yung ano, no? Totoo ba? Nandyan ka sa loob ng, nasa loob ka ng room mo, no? Bakit patingin nga? Kung wala namang text nga, hindi mo magawa, no? Katukin mo nga yung ganito. Nakapunta na ako dyan katukin mo nga yung pintuan ng ganyan, no? So, I feel like there's a lot of, I don't want to say, probably trust issues. Not with this person, it may be with this person as well, but probably from the past of the traumatic experience or this person did in the past, no? With the Two of Wands and the Emperor, ang hinahanap ko lang dito is sa security, no? So I wanted to be secure, I wanted to make sure, no, that this relationship ends up well. So I feel like there's a lot of controls, perfectionism, or yung pagiging perfectionist ng isang tao is umiiral, no? Domination is also part of this. Hindi naman siya wala pa naman siya dun sa narcissistic, no? Wala pa. I mean, this can still be manageable with the Hierophant and the Nine of Cups. Mabuti na lang, nakahanap tayo ng isang person na somewhat nakakaintindi. Hopefully, nakakaintindi. Kasi the Hierophant, nakakaintindi. Mas okay na yung nakakaintindi kasi tinotolerate lang tayo, no? Kasi, bahala kung anong gawin mo, no? Mahirap din naman yung taong parang walang pakialam, no? Yun nagiging tolerable. To a point na, ano ba yan? Tumatumbling na ako dito, nag-i-split na ako, no? Nagpapadulas na ako sa labaha, wala ka pang reaction. Gusto mo yan no? Diyan ka masaya, di gawin mo. So, that's toleration, no? Ano ba yan? No? Kumakain ako ng bubog dito, hindi mo man lang ako sinasaway. Yan ang gusto mo. So, that's toleration. Ito, yung parang merong pag-iintindi. Gusto kong malaman, bakit ka nagpapadulas sa labaha? Bakit nga ba? Do you like pain? No? So, when meron pag-iintindi, I wanted to get to know you. And probably there's something wrong with me or with you para at least we can make sure na nasa page tayo ng isa't isa. Hindi man kita naiintindihan sa ngayon, gusto kitang intindihin, 'di ba? Baka meron kang reason o baka pwedeng yung reason ko is ma-adapt mo, matanggal kita sa ganyang situation, no? Or baka ako yung may mali, mapunta ako dun sa situation mo, baka dalawa na tayo nag-e-enjoy magpadulas sa labaha, di ba yung mga ganyan? O baka gusto mo share tayo ng kumain ng bubog, yung mga ganyan. No, I'm just kidding. No, yun yung sinasabi natin na hindi ko ginagawa ang isang bagay just because yun yung gusto mo. Ginagawa ko isang bagay kasi gusto ko maintindihan kung saan tayo nanggagaling. At syempre, wala naman sigurong inintindi, pinag-aralan yung isang bagay para mapasama siya. Of course, that's for the better and the Ten of Cups para sa harmony ng connection. But I feel like meron lang dito mga push, force. What I'm trying to say here is somehow pagpilit, hindi man siya in verbal form, pero sa sinasabi nating mga gawa, kilos, energies na nai-emit, hindi man sinasabi ng bibig mo, no? But the energy itself, I felt it. With the Five of Cups, so almost perfect na sana to eh. This should have been a perfect relationship kung walang force. With the Five of Cups, baka kasi kung sino dito, it could be you, it could be your person, no? I might be reading for the Scorpio, baka ikaw ito, or for your person. Baka sabihin niyo, siya yun eh, baliktad naman. That's okay. What I'm reading here is the dynamic, yung exactly yung nangyayari sa inyo. So, instead na sana maayos yung relationship, no? Instead na paayos, pasira. Oh, di ba? With the Queen of Cups and the Strength, I feel like, siguro because of the traumatic experiences that happened before, I feel like whoever this person is, parang gusto ko lang makita, malaman, ayoko na uling mangyari, no? Gusto ko makita in person na you're doing everything for me. I'm seeing it in my hand, perfectly in order, the way I said so. Now, with the Eight of Swords and the Six of Swords, medyo konting luwag. Kasi with the Eight of Swords, parang nakakasakal. Yun nga, sabi ko, the person is almost perfect for the relationship that you want, but with so much grip on it, I feel like parang you're making a person a monster, no? Again, whoever that is. It could be you, it could be your person, but with the Moon card and the Eight of Pentacles, kikilos ang tao sa panahong alam niyang kung kailan siya kikilos. I feel like someone here is already connected with someone's very intelligent, sensitive, maintindihan, no? I feel like with the Nine of Pentacles, this should be a happy ending. Someone just needs to learn how to understand and, medyo luwagan ang paghawak dito, and the Princess of Swords is here. This is a commitment, like committed relationship, signing of a contract. There will be sabihin natin, for the both of you, no, merong pagkakaintindihan, agreement, no? So let's get some more cards here, Scorpio. Gusto ko lang ipaalala na dun po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So pwede po kayo magtanong doon dahil doon po tayo nagla-live. Kung hindi po kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka nandun po ang inyong reading. Meron na po tayong reading for February the 8th to February the 14th. You might want to check on it. So kung hindi nyo po naaabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang, no, tumiratso na po kayo doon sa ating website, no? Sa description box po ng video na ito, meron po siyang link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po agad yung amount per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So Scorpio, tingnan natin. I remember the day we met like it was yesterday. So, hindi nagbago, parang ganun pa rin kung paano tayo nagsimula, no? Siguro ang sinasabi lang dito ni person is, hindi ko naman nakakalimutan kung paano tayo nagsimula, kung gaano kasaya. And parang siguro sabi niya dito, gusto ko rin i-flourish, i-nourish, no? And siguro patagalin yung ganitong relasyon. Huwag mong madaliin, no? Kasi parang yun nga, I want to travel with you in metaphoric way, no? Um, and enjoying the moment, each and every moment of it, even the stopovers, no? So tingnan natin dito ang message ng universe for you. Have more faith in yourself. Be proud of who you are, of how you are navigating every curveball that life throws at you. How you deal with those times shows your true inner resilience. Nothing can break that. That in itself is is an inspiration for others. Keep shining your light. So I think that because of many challenges in our life, no, many heartaches, many betrayal of trust, you still need to believe in someone, and that someone could also be yourself or your person. No, um, yes, maybe not everyone, beats the same heartbeat as yours, pero there are still people that can turn your life, believes in humanity again. What I'm seeing in here, kung ano man yung mga napagdaanan mo, um, still believe in the power of love, believe in the power of humanity, believe in the power of you are worth it. And I'm seeing that it's already here. So that's your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So nakakita ka ng Sagittarius, Taurus, Pisces, Virgo, Leo, Scorpio, Cancer, Capricorn, Aries. Did I just mention Leo? Yes. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.